sorry in advance for this background. I'm so sorry. It's not amateur hour, you guys. I should be on top of my game by now, but bear with me. We're switching things up a little bit, okay? Hey guys, what's up? First things first, peep the shirt. I'm just gonna start a whole channel where I just talk about my shirts. Before I even get started, peep the shirt though.
I am just reporting to you live today in the only green shirt that I own.
This is hands down the tiniest shirt that I've ever owned. But she's so cute. Anyways, you guys, today I'm gonna be showing you my literal, just basic, everyday makeup routine. I mean, honestly, I don't be doing this every day, but this is an everyday makeup routine right here. Second thing, we're going to be talking about our goals for 2019. Do I believe in New Year's resolutions? Do I not? Do I have goals for the upcoming year? Let's find out. And let's find out how 2018 treated me, okay? Let's find out what's really good. If you want to see how I get this look and talk a little bit about our goals for this upcoming year, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I hope the lighting isn't too bad. I honestly got new lights and I haven't taken the moment to make sure they look okay. Nothing has changed. I'm still unorganized and I'm a hot ass mess. So I actually have to hurry because I had to be to work in an hour. I think I can whip this look up in an hour because I literally do it all the time now. And if you're wondering why my face is so shiny, Vaseline. The way that Lil Mama felt about lip gloss is the way that I feel about Vaseline. Like, my Vaseline is popping. Vaseline is that girl. So I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. And I know I kind of raved about this in one of my other videos, and I still agree. I think it's a good foundation. The only thing is you have to apply it very, very specifically for it to look bomb. Step 1, have your face very moisturized, okay? Like extremely moisturized. And with foundations like this, you literally have to make sure that you get every spot on your face or else. Matte foundations, like, they can smell your fear, okay? They know that if you just mess up just a little bit, you're done, because you're gonna have streaks and you're gonna have marks on your face. By the way, if you're wondering why I don't have any nails and I look crusty, it's because one of my New Year's resolutions or New Year's goals is to stop biting my nails, okay? And I stopped biting my nails in 2019. I guess we'll find out. Just said to myself, I gotta stop doing that. It's nasty, it's gross, and it hurts, and I hate it. And I wear acrylics constantly 24/7, not only because they make me feel real cute. I try to stop myself from biting my natural nails, and I bite acrylic nails. And guess what? Broke my tooth doing that. Okay, yep. So what I do is I just take thin layers of this so that it doesn't get caked up. It's looking like a natural finish and it's not too thick. That's one of the only things that we don't want to be thick, is our foundation. So tell me a little bit about your guys' New Year's resolutions or goals for the year. I think it's so important to have goals. I don't think you should let anybody tell you, oh, it's just another day. You should make every day as good. You don't need a New Year's to, I don't even know how I'm talking. You shouldn't let anybody make you feel like having a goal for the year is stupid. Just listen to that for a second. People will look at you like you are stupid because you have a goal set out. Like, how does that sound? By the way, I use the Makeup Revolution concealer in number 9. Anybody who makes you feel bad about wanting to better yourself in the new year, leave their ass in 2018, okay? Because they're a waste. Do not let anybody at the gym make you feel like shit for not really knowing what you're doing. If they were really that intelligent about what they were doing, they would help you. I think it's very important to realize that we all start somewhere. So whether your goal has to do with fitness or your career or just, I mean, what other goals do people have? Money and fitness, happiness. We all gotta start somewhere, okay? I'm gonna take everybody's favorite magic setting powder, Laura Mercier. Feel that wealth. AirPod 2. I was actually gonna buy myself some AirPods to wear at the gym, and guess what? I broke my phone really bad. I'm just gonna set lightly, because this foundation is matte, and if I set it too much, I will feel crusty. I'll feel like a straight up pizza crust with no oil, okay, no cheese, all crust, thin crust at that. I like to do it right around my mouth so I don't have creasing around my smile lines, like because I'm fake smiling at work so much. I'm just gonna do a light as well amount. I don't like to bake under my eyes because it doesn't look good on me. And time for my hands down favorite product recently. This is the Bronze Babe bronzer from AshGhotCakessTV. At this point, I can't live without her. She is everything to me. So speaking of work and jobs, did any of you have any goals at your job this year? My goal this year is just to figure out whether I can continue to juggle multiple things or whether or not I'm going to have to kind of make a decision on that. Juggling so many things at once in 2018 was tough. I struggled throughout the entire year. I just, like there could have been good things going on, but at the same time, I myself was not happy, period. Like I was not happy at all. We're also focusing on mental health in 2019, focusing on what makes us happy and not forcing ourselves to do things the way that other people want us to do it. I don't know if this is gonna make sense. Let's do things the way that we want to do them. You can never please everybody. I had that feeling a lot last year. You know, you're letting others down, but then at the same time, you're letting yourself down even more. Just focus on what would make you happy with yourself. So at the end of the day, you're the only one that really has to live with yourself. And then just using Milani Luminoso blush. What's new? And then just using the Milani Make It Last. Okay, I should have closed my mouth before I said that. Setting spray. I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight. Just pop that right there. Time for everybody's favorite part. Death herself. Winged liner. I'm gonna try to talk while I do this, but it's gonna be hard. By the way, this is the Araceli Beauty. See, that's why I can't talk while I do this shit, because god dang. I think this is a great eyeliner, but I would love to see a liquid liner. Because this is like technically a liquid liner, but I want like a doop, 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 like that kind of liquid liner. I believe heavily into speaking things into existence. A big factor in my life last year was that I really gave up on that quite a lot. I just was not in a positive state of mind. And some of you guys might think that's stupid, like what's gonna happen happens. It doesn't matter what you think, positive or negative, but it does have a huge effect on your life. I absolutely believe that. In 2017, I popped off. I hit all my goals for the year. Everything I put on my vision board that year came true. Keep goals that you feel like are realistic to yourself, realistic to what you can accomplish, and believe in yourself, and you can do that. I'm not a motivational speaker, but take the tip, okay? I went vegetarian in February, so I'm almost gonna be a year being a vegetarian. No animals in my body, which I'm not judging anybody for eating animals, okay? I just prefer not to. Anytime you make a big dietary change, you're gonna feel it, and I felt good. And midway through the year, still felt great. I was working out. I was actually getting into very good shape. I was taking care of my body. I was eating well. I was meal prepping. And then I just had this horrible wave of just negative energy within myself around Halloween time, which is usually my favorite time of year. I usually flourish at that time of year, like Halloween looks and all these other things, and I love that time of year. It's beautiful. Yeah, I was just going through it. I was not going to the gym anymore. I was not eating healthy, nor was I eating almost at all. And not because I was trying to not eat on purpose. I love eating. I'm trying to make these gains at the gym, you know what I'm saying? But I wasn't going to the gym, and I was just stressed, and I like loss of appetite, that kind of thing. This year it's just me. I'm back, bitches. Like, I'm back. I'm back. The only person that can get in the way of you is yourself. That might sound corny, but I don't care. We gotta just step out of our own ways, you know? So when I'm not using NYX Sandstorm, which I'm always using, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Starfish Liquid Lipstick. That thing is fire as a lip liner. And I'm gonna take She Bad ColourPop Lippy Stick. Just a little bit. And then Anastasia Beverly Hills Toffee Lip Gloss. So I gotta have a glossy lip. Those are the rules. In time for lashes, I think it's worth noting that I have my lashes sitting on my Kehlani picture. Thank you, baby girl. These are the Araceli Beauty Lefty lashes. Yes, they're back, baby. And that is it, you guys. I actually did that within an hour, and I'm pretty shook by that. I think backdrops are canceled. I think we're just gonna do a cute little background back here. Keep it cute. I need ideas. I need ideas because one other thing that I need to do in 2019 is be organized. Get my shit together. I'm gonna get some shelves back here and put some like plants and put some pictures and put something like cool back there. I don't really know yet, you guys, but I need to get this together. You should have goals, whether it be for the entire year, whether it be for the month or the week. I'm gonna run through some of mine really quick. Like I said, I want to stop biting my nails. I need to get my life together. That's like a whole wrap up for the year. I want to take more risks, whether it be with my content or just in my everyday life. I want to just venture out a little bit more so I can experience more things. Taking more vacations, specifically with my family. I'd like to spend more time with them. I'd like to be able to do more things together with the girls. I'd like to, you know, go places and take them places. Like my parents, my siblings. My little brother moved away this year. Didn't even get to say bye to him because I was here working and doing other things, and it was very sad for me. I don't have very many people around me. Don't get me wrong. I have barely any. But the ones that are there, appreciate them more. Appreciate yourself more. Love yourself. I want to post more. I want to be able to post twice a week. By the way, I bought a little calendar to do precisely that. Accepting more opportunities for myself, okay? Sometimes opportunities do arise and I miss out on them because either I put them off, procrastinate, or because I don't know. Maybe it's that I just don't feel comfortable or I don't know how to navigate in certain situations. Say yes to more opportunities. Say yes to more opportunities, even if they make you uncomfortable, whether it be like a promotion at work or whether it be an opportunity from a brand that contacts you to do some sort of partnership with them. Obviously be somewhat smart about your choices, but accept more opportunities, believe in yourself because you can do it, you'll figure it out, and you'll make it work, and you will step up to the plate, okay? Hands down, I want to be a part of a makeup brand's campaign, like for a new product, you know, where they have people come take the photos, and you're on the little display, like at Ulta or Target, depending on what kind of brand it is. I, hands down, want that this year. Fitness, okay? I want to be shaped like I want to be shaped. And like I said, I was very much into that last year, but towards the end of the year, and specifically December, I was like, I'm going to ride the rest of this year out. I'm going to eat what I want. I'm just going to take a chill pill. I'm going to relax. And I'm going to come back in January hard, going hard. I will put in that work. I don't expect it to come overnight. I want to see the changes and I want to know how long it takes me to get there. I want to know what works for my body and what doesn't work for my body. So I'm really putting more of an effort into that this year. Number one goal, be happy. Be happy with yourself. Be happy with your life. There are a lot of factors that go into that. I'm not saying everybody's just, ooh, gotta be happy magically because I said so. That's not how it works. But at the end of the day, I think we do all want that. I mean, we do all want to be happy, don't we? I mean, unless sometimes, you know when you're kind of like sad and you're like, I just want to be sad for a minute. Just let me just chill and let me listen to my sad music and let me watch my sad movie and relax, okay? Take a bath. And yeah, that is it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your goals down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.